Hello Bladers! It's no secret that properly functioning vehicle lights, wipers and mirrors allow for better visibility while driving, yet these items are often forgotten or ignored when performing basic auto care. We listed these auto care visibility tips to help ensure your safety, the safety of your passengers and other vehicles around you. Welcome to our Daily Drive. Tips for the everyday driver. If you are not subscribed yet, you are missing out. When it comes to road safety, seeing is believing. Here are 4 critical things you have to do to ensure your driving visibility. Number 1. Replace any exterior or interior lights that are dimming, rapidly blinking, or non-functioning, and be sure headlights are correctly aimed. Number 2. Make sure that vehicle mirrors are clean and properly positioned. Number 3. Replace wiper blades if they show cracking, or if they chatter or streak when operating. Don't forget to check the rear wiper blade. Also check your wiper fluid. Number 4. Don't overdrive your headlights. Maintain a speed that will allow you to stop within the illuminated area, otherwise you create a blind crash zone in front of your vehicle. Do you agree with our list? Or did you have others to add? Drop us some comments. We would love to hear from you. Making sure that you can see and be seen on the road is essential to avoiding motor vehicle accidents, yet many motorists overlook simple maintenance steps that can improve driving visibility. This simple auto care service can make a world of difference on the road. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on new releases. For more car care and maintenance tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. It's Blade, it's better.